Mineral is an inorganic crystalline material with a unique chemical composition. It occurs in a fascinating palette of colors, shapes, and lusters. They vary in hardness and may even have a distinctive taste or scent. Minerals' properties. Crystal form is the external expression of a mineral's internal orderly arrangement of atoms. Streak is the color of mineral in its powder form, which is a much more reliable indication of color. Cleavage is the tendency of minerals to cleave, break, along planes of weak bonding. Fracture. Any break or rupture in rock along with no appreciable movement has taken place. Hardness, a measure of the resistance of a mineral to abrasion or scratching. This property is determined by rubbing the material to be identified against another mineral of known hardness. Color is an obvious feature of minerals. It is often unreliable diagnostic property. Physicist gravity compares the weight of a mineral to the weight of an equal volume of water. Luster describes how a mineral appears to reflect light, and how brilliant or dull a mineral is. Classification of minerals. Native elements is the category of the pure. Most minerals are made out of combinations of chemical elements. In this group, a single element like the copper shown here are found in a naturally pure form. It is often the metal seen in this category, but the minerals like bismuth, arsenic, and antimony are also in the ranks of their non-metals like sulfur and carbon. As graphite and diamond silicates are the most widespread of the minerals. By themselves, they make up over 90% of the weight of the Earth's crust. Most rocks are composed mainly of this class of minerals. Oxides are mineral compounds combining a metal with oxygen or a metal combining with oxygen and hydrogen. This is a large group of minerals that occur in most geological environments and rock types. They span a wide range of characteristics from common metal ores to precious gems. Sulfides are made of compounds of sulfur, usually with the metal. They tend to be heavy and brittle. Sulfides are made of compounds of sulfur combined with metals and oxygen. It is a large group of minerals that tend to be soft and translucent like disperite. Halides formed from halogen elements like chlorine, bromine, fluorine, and iodine combined with metallic elements. They are very soft and easily dissolved in water. And carbonates are a group of minerals made of carbon, oxygen, and a metallic element. Phosphates are not as common in occurrence as the other families of minerals. They are often formed when other minerals are broken down by weathering. They are often brightly colored. Mineraloid is the term used for those substances that do not fit neatly into one of these 8 classes. Opal, jet, amber, and mother of pearl all belong to the mineraloid. Composition and structure of minerals. How atoms are constructed. Atomic number. The number of protons in the nucleus of an atom. Proton mass energy levels are shown. It is also known as individuals. The electrons are located at given distances from the nucleus and regions in the nucleus of an atom. Protons, a positively charged subatomic particle found in the nucleus of an atom. Neutrons, a subatomic particle found in the nucleus of an atom. The neutron is electrically neutral and has a mass approximately that of a proton. Electrons, a negatively charged subatomic particle that has a negligible mass and is found outside an atom's nucleus. Nucleus, the small heavy core of an atom that contains all of its positive charge and most of its mass energy. Looking how atoms bond together. Ions, an atom or molecule that possesses an electric charge. Radioactive decay occurs when the forces that bind the nucleus are not strong enough to keep it together. Isotope varieties of the same element that have different mass numbers. Their nuclei contain the same number of protons but different numbers of neutrons. Mass number of an atom is simply the total of its neutrons and protons in the nucleus. Mineral resources are Earth's storehouse of useful minerals that can be recovered for use. Resources include already identified deposits from which minerals can be extracted profitably, called reserves. as well as known deposits that are not yet recoverable under present economic conditions or technology. Deposits inferred to exist but not yet discovered are also considered mineral resources.